Welcome to Brentwood School. We are situated within 75 acres of Essex countryside, but only a 5-minute walk away from Brentwood town centre and a short journey into London. Our sports centre, with a 25-metre swimming pool, was used for training by Team GB in the 2012 Olympics. Here are the places where we discover how to be scientists, play cricket, study history and politics, perform on stage and learn about the classics. The Lawrence and Allison buildings cater to learning mathematics and modern foreign languages. The Otway building is home to our sixth form pupils and our state-of-the-art 400-seat Wessex auditorium. The Hardy Amis Design Centre is where technology, food and nutrition, art and computer science classes are held. Our outdoor stage hosts Shakespearean plays, music concerts and garden parties. All of this combined with our 19th century chapel makes Brentwood a pretty special place for everyone. Our national champion netball team train here, whilst Forest School for our prep pupils takes place here in our woods. Our national finalists train on our athletics track. Staff benefit from on-site accommodation, and this is our preparatory school where it all starts from the age of 3. All students make use of our playing fields and performing arts centre. So whether you're a boarder or a day student, book your visit today to find out what happens inside.